everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today we are going to be making this fall folio. So this is the Cottage Dreams fall folio. A very simple and a quick project. And here are the final pieces that are included in this kit. I've got the main panel and I've got like 3 flaps and then a few pockets. And these cottagecore illustrations, filled ephemeras and tags, and a few labels and fussy cuts. As always, let's start prepping. I'm just going to go ahead and fold along the lines. So this is the main panel, and then I've already folded the rest of the flaps, and this is the front flap. I'm just folding along the flap line and the center line. Let's start the assembling. So this is the main panel. I've got the front of the panel and the back of the front of the folio and the back of the folio. So this is the front flap. I have folded it and I'm going to make this a top pocket. So I'm just going to glue on the 2 sides and make it into a top pocket. There you go. I have just glued it, and now I'm just going to glue this one, stick it to the panel like this so that it becomes the front of the folio now. So I'm just using that attachment part and gluing it onto the panel A, on the back of the panel A, like so. And the Cottage Dreams that you see, what is written, that will be on the front of this folio. Now let's move on to panel B. On the panel B, I've got these 2 flaps. I've got this like a mini flap and this pocket flap. So what I want to do is I want to glue this pocket flap like right over here. And before that, I want to stick this mini flap onto this pocket flap, and so that we have like flips and flaps over here. So first I'm just going ahead and gluing sticking this mini flap onto the blank area of that pocket flap. So all the flaps in the main panels I have printed on the back side also. And now this blank area along with this mini flap of that pocket flap, I'm just going to stick it as a top pocket. So that's the idea. So on this blank space, I'm just going to apply glue to the 3 sides and stick this to the panel B. There you have it. We have done the assembling of this folio. Now let's move on to adding pockets. So to cover the front flap attachment that you see on the panel A, I want to use this long pocket and cover it up. So I'm just going to apply glue and stick this one right on top of that attachment area that you see. Then I've got like a few pockets over here, so I'm just going to use this one right over on this mini flap. And this little pocket, I'm just going to use this over here. On the back side of the folio, I have this pocket, so I'm just going to stick this one over here. So here's the folio with the pockets attached. Now let us start decorating the folio. I've added a few labels and fussy cuts, so you can just use them and decorate the folio. And here's the final reveal of this Cottage Dreams folio. This is a fall themed folio, and this folio is included in the Autumn Halloween Bundle 2025. And I think this folio would make a really good gift to your loved ones. It's got this cozy vibes and a dreamy vibes also. So I think it's perfect for gifting or for yourself. And it's got like these journal cards that you can just journal your dreams. I will include all the links in the description below. You can just check them out. You can also join the newsletter if you are not in the newsletter, because cyber sale is coming and I don't think you want to miss any of the discounts that is going to be up on the shop. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.